Do you want to go traveling? Are you fantasizing about disappearing to someplace else? Do you want to experience a new country? Or do you want to eat some different food? Or maybe you want to meet new people that you've never met before. Be in a different environment because you're so tired of your old routines and the old patterns that you've been engaging in for so long. Maybe it just feels like automatic pilot. Maybe you dream about running your business online and being successful in such a way that you can be wherever you want, whenever you want, with whoever you want. Well, that's great. There's nothing wrong with that. That's a fantastic aspiration to have, and it's a pretty cool desire. But I will tell you one thing. If you've ever gone on a vacation before, or if you've ever traveled in the past, oftentimes you're very excited, you're very stoked for the experience as it's coming up, but once you're on it, typically you're kind of the same person you were as before you went to this incredible place, before you got to go and experience the world. Because wherever you go, there you are. And when you realize this, it makes traveling still be quite a lot of fun. However, you start to realize that ultimately what's really powerful is finding joy in your current experience right here, right now. So instead of dreaming yourself away to some distant place or thinking that things are going to be better when you get somewhere or when you get something, you're just happy right here, right now. And then you do enjoy those things, but it's from a higher platform. You see, most people seek these experiences from a low place. Essentially, what they're doing is saying, I don't feel good, I'm not happy where I am, I don't like my environment, and so when I go over there, then I'll be happy. It's the same thing as saying, oh, once I get that new car, then everything will be great. And you get the new car, and for a while, it's really cool. Maybe even for quite a long time, you love it. It's your ideal car. So you drive it every day and you get some sense of joy from it. But after a while, the novelty wears off. The new car becomes the old car. Just like the place you wanted to go becomes the place that you are at. And when you're there and you have it, and now there's supposed to be no excuse for you not to feel happy and fulfilled, somehow you might still not be happy and fulfilled. You thought that getting out of the loop, out of the autopilot, out of the box, was finally going to make you feel happy and joyful. And for a bit, maybe it even did, but it's not sustainable because the common denominator here is you, your character, how you feel about yourself, your thoughts, most importantly, are what actually impact your overall subjective experience the most. The environment is cool, and for a while, it will make a difference when it's new and different. It does get you out of your head for a bit. But it will become normal. It will become, oh, now we're just here, and this is it. Now we're driving this car, and this is it. And now it just has become the present moment. It's not special anymore. It's not flashy anymore. You can't daydream about it because you're in it. So you can't romanticize it and make it seem bigger and greater than it actually is. People also do this with their past, glorifying the good old days. Same thing. So instead of dreaming, daydreaming, and thinking about some vacation where you're going to escape and finally get out of your miserable experience and existence, instead make a decision to work on you. Make a decision to take a vacation away from your bad thoughts. That's the best kind of vacation, where you stop thinking negatively for a while, where you hold yourself to a different regiment of thinking, a different pattern. Maybe you start asking yourself, in every activity that you do, how can I find the joy in this? What's fun about this? What do I love about what we're doing right now? What excites me about it? You can always find something. See, if you're looking for gloom and doom, if you're looking for misery, you will find it. If you're looking for happiness and joy, you can find that too, anywhere in the world. Doesn't matter if you're in a great place or in a place where you think you need to get out of as soon as possible. There is some joy to be found. In every situation, people have managed to find joy before you. So why couldn't you?
I hope that you enjoyed the video. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss a single upload. And if you'd like to experience a real breakthrough and some massive progress in your life, sign up for coaching. It's in the bottom left of your screen right now. If you click on that, you'll go to my website and you can book a free consultation to get us started.